I have an object called user wherein I have two properties in it. Okay, which is name and age. Now I want to make this name property as read only, which means if I update the name property value, it shouldn't be updated. Okay, it should be always there. So how can we achieve that in JavaScript? Let's see. So in order to achieve that, we need to know about three flags. Okay. So basically there are three flags associated for each property in JavaScript. Let's see what are those first. Okay. So const flags equal to, we have to use get one property descriptor method on objects. Okay. So object dot get one property descriptor. So this method will take two arguments. One is current object, which is user here, and the other one is respective property name, which is name. Okay, these are the three flags which I am talking about. These three flags will be true by default. Okay, if I make this writable as false, then the property name will be read only. Okay, let's see how we can do that. So to update a property flag, then we have to use define property method. Okay, so let me use that object dot define property. So this will take three arguments. One is the object, which is user here, and then the property name, and then the object. Okay, so where we have to provide the flag name and the flag value. Okay, which is a false here. Sorry. So once we make this writable as false for the name property, that means name is the read only property here. Okay, so let me try to update this name property here. So I'm updating name as Ravi here. So let me console the user object here. Console.log of user. See, the name property still contains Dev here, but at the same time we haven't get any error. So to get the error, we have to use strict mode in JavaScript. Okay, use strict, and let me again run this one. See, we got an error saying cannot assign to read only property name of object. Okay, and I will explain about these two flags in coming videos. Thank you for watching.